Is it Nike or Nike, Adidas or Adidas? Depending on what part of the world you live in, these brand names may be pronounced differently. Today I'm going to show you how certain brand names are pronounced in United States and Canada. And trust me, some pronunciations might surprise you. Let's start with the sport giants. British often say Nike. It rhymes with bike, but actually it's Nike. In the US, people say Adidas, but in Europe, especially in Germany, people pronounce Adidas because it's a German brand and it was founded by Adi Dassler. And what I found really cool, if you type in Google Adidas pronunciation in English or any brand you want, you can actually hear how it is pronounced. Check it out.
Adidas.
You can slow it down even.
Adidas.
Most people get this one right. Puma. And in British English, it's pronounced as Puma.
Puma. Puma.
Now, let's talk about cars. A lot of people mispronounce this one. In British English, it's pronounced as Porsche. Let's check out an example.
What it looks like. This is a Porsche and they like to hide.
In some countries, it's pronounced as Porsche, but actually the correct pronunciation is Porsche. If you tell me, come on Boris, what are you talking about? That's not how you pronounce. I would say, let's go to the official website and check it out. If you go to this URL, that's the official website, they even have a web page how to pronounce it. Apparently a lot of people are confused how do you pronounce it. If you scroll down, you'll see a video over here, so let's check it out.
Porsche.
Porsche. One more time.
Porsche.
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 So that's how you pronounce it. And Google gives us
Porsche. Porsche.
Let's slow it down.
Porsche.
Porsche. Next one. In US and Canada, it's pronounced as BMW, but in Germany, it's pronounced as BMW, which stands for Bayerischen Motorenwerke. Once again, let's go to their official website. Same thing here, it's the URL, how to pronounce it. And we scroll down, and here we have the video.
BMW. BMW.
Next one is Hyundai. It's similar to Sunday, but Hyundai. It's not Hyundai. No. Let's check it out. Google gives us
Hyundai. Hyundai. Hyundai.
but in Korean you pronounce his Hyundai. I have a Korean friend who told me that. Thank you, James. Next one is IKEA. In American we pronounce as IKEA. It's similar to your Kia. And in British English it's similar to Swedish. It's pronounced as IKEA. Let's check it out.
IKEA.
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 It was in American pronunciation, and in British
IKEA.
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 Next one is this jeans company. It's pronounced as Levi's. In American pronunciation
Levi's.
and in British
Levi's.
it's very similar. And how do you pronounce this brand? In American English you pronounce it as Zara. But I know this is a Spanish brand, and in Spain people pronounce it as Zara. They pronounce letter Z as TH, Zara. But in American English it's pronounced as Zara. And let's double check the pronunciation.
Zara. Zara.
Zara. Next one is Samsung. Let's double check.
Samsung.
And sometimes if you're not sure how to pronounce certain words, you can go to this website. If you scroll down, it's called howtopronounce.com. And you can play the pronunciation.
Samsung.
Samsung.
Samsung. So does pronunciation really matter? Well, it does. Comment down below the brand name that you have been struggling with. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.